Hi, I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you about this great guitar capo from D'Addario that we use for our guitar here. One thing I absolutely love about it is the nice smooth texture for the clamp. I don't have to worry about the guitar getting damaged in any way. It also has a really nice spring. It's easy to open and close, and the spring is adjustable, so you can find the perfect tension for you and your guitar playing. It's very easy to put on and take off, even if you're in the middle of playing and you need to move your capo to a different spot. There's no problem. You can do that very easily. And when you're not playing, it will sit nicely on the top of your guitar. So you can always find it. You don't have to worry about losing it. This has been a great little capo for us. It's nice and lightweight. It works really well, and we found we have great sound on our guitar, and we love it. That's my point of view.